Bet my man on the thing.
Ben, there's only 5 glasses.
Yeah.
There's 6 of us.
Actually, I've got a little job for you, man. Cats.
Cats.
Yeah, cats. This sniff ain't going nowhere about cats. Tomboy, you got any cats?
Nah, don't still.
I will land on you then, man. Come, let me get you started. Yo, here's a burner phone. Should be 10 numbers by the end of the day, yeah?
Thought you told me to level up, man.
And have you?